Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to split a column value in Power Query using AI. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So let me go to Power Query first. So transform data and transform data. So you can see my data table. So this is my data table, business segment, category, color, sales amount, customer rating. So in customer rating, if you can see 4 out of 5. So 4 is actual rating out of 5, 3 out of 5. So I want actual rating 4, 3, 4.5 and so on in separate column. So how I'll do that? I will select this column and I will use a AI feature in Power Query. And I will go to add column. In add column, here you can see column from examples. So I will click here from selection. And here I will type a first value that is 4. So let me double click on this. And here I will type a 4 and I will hit the enter button. And after that I will click OK. So as you can see 4, 3, 4.5, 2, 4. So actual rating in separate column, and let me rename it to rating. So now you can see here category. So I want first one like your mountain bike. I want mountain handlebar. I need only handlebar, shorts, bottle, jersey. OK, so again, I will go back to column from examples, and this time I will select option from all columns. OK, and here I will type mountain and press hit the enter button and I will click OK. So as you can see, so mountain, handle, shorts, bottle, jersey. So that's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.